Take the wheel off, use a 21mm socket to take the lug nuts off. I'm going to use a pull jack and just support the lower control arm. Make sure it's somewhere where it's not going to slide off or anything. That's good right there. Take this nut off, use a 19mm socket. And the washer and the lock washer. And take this bolt off, use a 24mm socket. Alright, so that should separate right there. You can slide this down. And just slide the lower part of the shock off and slide it out. Now we're going to take this shield off, use a 10mm socket, take this nut off, or bolt, and just transfer it over to the new one. Line it up. And just snug it down. Now take the new shock and just exercise it, compress it, and let it expand. Do this 3 times. And take the shock and slide it in position. Have the shield facing the front of the vehicle. Just slide it down. You can compress it if it makes it easier. There we go. And install the bolt. Get that started. Snug it down first. And torque this bolt to 116 foot-pounds. And put the washer on, the lock washer, and the nut. And torque this nut to 87 foot-pounds. You can lower the pull jack or screw jack. Install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern or a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.